Hello. Many of you will know that our positive COVID test rates are some of the highest in the country. There are many factors contributing to our figures, including our high testing rates and the fact that we have so many people in Barnsley who need to leave their house to go to work. The recent high figures we've seen are because we are identifying more cases. It doesn't necessarily mean we actually have a lot more cases than some of our neighbours who do less testing. So the key thing we need to look at is the impact of COVID rather than the positive test rate numbers, and how we can keep working together to reduce the harm from this virus. We are seeing a good reduction in our over 60-year-old rate and far fewer hospitalisations. This is good news and a real testament to our vaccination programme in Barnsley. And as we vaccinate the 50 to 60-year-old age group, we will continue to see these benefits. Our younger adult population haven't yet been vaccinated and are more likely to be out in the community due to work and education. The higher numbers of positive results we've seen over the past week are primarily in these younger people who we know are at much lower risk and very unlikely to become seriously unwell. As the government are introducing more home rapid testing initiatives, we're looking at our local testing plans and focusing even more on testing people with symptoms and supporting them to isolate for the full period. The data we have suggests that most positive test results are in the community and that the virus is being spread by household to household mixing. So my ask to you is to ask you to go about your daily lives in the safest way possible. Keep up with washing your hands regularly, wear face coverings in public spaces, and keep your distance from others. As you open your front door, think about whether you should be leaving your home at all. Do you have symptoms, or should you be isolating? Are you staying 2 meters away from people who you don't live with on the school run or when you're walking outside? And finally, thank you for everything you're doing to keep Barnsley safe and to help keep us on our road to recovery.